Hello, you're welcome to another episode of Real Estate Business with Debo Adejano. I'm a real estate entrepreneur and also the MD CEO of Realty Point Limited. They call us the Sack Your Landlord people. Now, in this episode, I'll be discussing something very interesting. Rental income investing. Rental income investing in real estate. Discussing how you can get into this with, if you have a lot of money, good for you. If you have just little money, good for you. Home or abroad. I mean, how can you start enjoying income from your rent, rental income in real estate? I'll be right back. So you're welcome. Now, when we talk about rental income, of course, we are talking about rents, enjoying rents from somebody else's use of your property, the person you call tenant. Okay? Your tenant is the person occupying your property, and the tenant pays rent. Right? So, in this part of the world, okay, properties, any part of the world really, property is usually a large ticket transaction. So property acquisition is usually something that is very tough, and only very few people can afford to buy property and then put it out for rent. You see? So very few people get to benefit from this kind of money, because this is how it works. When you invest your money, let's call it principal, okay, on property A, and you put it out for rent over a period of, say, 20 years. Every year or month or so, you collect rent depending on the period of your rental income, collect rent, and then maybe 20 years down the line, you decide to sell your property A. Sell. You buy here and you rent over this period. Okay, you decide to sell. What comes to you? Is this your principal plus some margin? We call it capital appreciation, because over the course of 20 years, your property would have appreciated in value. If you bought it for 20 million, by 20 years, it could be, I mean, if we go by the rule of thumb that says that property doubles in value every 10 years, for example, just rule of thumb. If we go by that, that means your property here will be worth, say, like 80 million. Okay? If you bought at 20 million here. Because in 10 years, here, it will be 40 million. And if we start another journey, another 10 years, it will be 80 million. Or you say it just had some 20 million every 10 years. It means it will be 40 million here, and then here, it will be 60 million. Whichever way you look at it, your capital appreciation is quite reasonable. Here, it will be 60 million. And Naira, if you're going by Naira, and then here, it will be what? It will be like 40 million. That's a lot of money. Now, but you see, you are able to do that also because you have also, the interesting thing is that you have also gained rent over the period. And usually your rental income increases over the course of 2-3 years thereabout. Okay, increases by from 2, 3, 4, 5, 10% upwards. Okay, every 2 or 3 years, like that. And you'll have gained that over time, plus this capital appreciation. So a lot of people do this kind of real estate investing. Now, so you see a situation where in some part of the world, the rental income returns is very high, meaning that rent in those parts of the world are usually very high. Okay, Nigeria is not there yet, but is moving in that direction already. Is moving in that direction already. But averagely, if you do your rental income investment very well in this part of the world, Nigeria, you should be able to get what we can call 5% rate of return or rental return. You understand? 5% return on your investment. How do I mean? What that means is that, assuming you bought this property for 20 million naira, okay, in 20 years, this period, you would have gotten back your 20 million naira from the rent. It means you will have earned rent equating to at least 20 million naira and then your property itself still existing is worth 80 million or 20 million. So if it is 5% return on investment, that's what it means. Meaning that averagely, okay, you are making like about 1 million naira rent on the property. 1 million naira rent every year on the property, and then in 20 years, you have your money back, rental return. Now, how come people don't do this investment? Because very few investments, you would see out there that gives you the opportunity to have returns and also have capital appreciation. That's what real estate does for you, rental income. How come a lot of people don't do this? And there are ways by which you can make sure that your rental return is even higher. One of the ways is to dilute how much of your money is here, okay, by way of if you have borrowing that the rate interest you are paying is not as much, okay, and those kind of opportunities exist particularly in more advanced economy, which you can leverage if you have that information and that connection and that opportunity. Now, a lot of people don't do this. Why? Because they can't just simply afford 20 million. They can't afford 20 million. For people that can afford that lump sum, fine, why not? But you see, the simple solution to that is find people of like minds, combine with them, okay? Co-invest with them so that you co-own the property. Co-invest and co-own. You enjoy all of these returns, you enjoy these together. So if it is 1 million naira, for example, you can afford, find 19 other people that have 1 million naira each and do this, okay? Put it out for rent and then enjoy your rental income. Give it to a manager. You don't have to bother yourself. This money can come to you sleeping. You don't have to bother yourself. You give it to a property manager. They worry with getting good tenants, worry with making sure that the property is well maintained, worry with picking the calls of tenants regarding repairs in the house and all of that. You just get your returns every year or as must have agreed. Of course, you pay a token fee. And all of those fees have netted off from the assumptions of the return that comes to you already. Just find people, co-invest with them, co-own, okay? We are having such initiative, and if you want to know more about it, it's called Besama Landlord. It's a fantastic opportunity that allows you to start to enjoy and play in this kind of role just with as little as 149,000 naira. If you have that much, you can join today. Or let's even assume you don't have that much. You just can spare 15,000 naira per month for the next 12 months. Okay, coming to a total of 180,000 naira. You can spare this. You can be a member of Besama Landlord. Besama Landlord is an aggregation of like minds, okay, under a cooperative umbrella that puts their money into property investment for rental income purposes. Make comments, join us at the, there's a link. You will see a link, okay, under this video. You see a link. Make sure you click on that link if you are interested. Fill up the form. Just give us your email, your phone number, and your name, your email, and your phone number. We will get right back to you and make sure that we are able to explain more of Besama Landlord initiative to you, and you can start playing in it right now. We have properties that are giving us good returns on investment that we've marked down for investment, or that we are already in discussion and we are investing in. It is already existing. This cooperative has paid out dividend before now even. It's in its second year as we speak, and it is such a thing, such an initiative that you should join. That is how to be a real estate entrepreneur. So seize that opportunity. Click the link below and make sure you give us your name, your phone number, and your email. I'll be right back. We'll get right back to you to further explain all of this and sign you on for the program. Okay? I'm sure you have some questions you can ask, the comment section and all of that. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So that will be it for this episode. Another interesting episode for that matter. If you enjoy it, please share the link with your friends. Tell them about it. Tell them that this is a channel. There is a YouTube channel they should watch, especially if they are interested in real estate investment. It is very, very compulsory for somebody that is a real estate enthusiast to watch this and be a part of this channel. So I encourage you to subscribe if you've not. If you just stumbled on this channel, please subscribe. Hit the subscription button and subscribe so that you'll be getting our videos, and hit the notification button so that as soon as we drop our videos, you'll be the first to know. We drop our videos on Tuesdays and on Thursdays before 7 p.m. each of those days. We drop our videos and you'll be the first to know. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification button, and let's continue. Please engage us in the comment section. We'll be looking out for your comments. If you like it, let us know. If you have suggestions, contributions, let us know the comment section. Please make your comment, and I'll be giving out some fantastic things for comments. Okay, so please, I'm not really announcing it now, but you can be sure that if you have been commenting on our videos and you've been engaging our videos and all of that, you will definitely stand to win some things. Inviting you for one thing or the other, giving you some freebies. It's under discussion, and we are going to be unveiling that. But it will pay you if you've been subscribing. if you've been commenting before now. Till I come your way in the next episode again, I remain yours sincerely, Debo Adejano. In helping you sack your landlord. Thank you.